Welcome backpack. This is Adbeel from WolfSteel Buildings, and we got some action going on back there. We're building a 40 by 60 metal building. So right now the foundation is in process. And before we get talking about the foundation, let's talk about what we're building so you guys can get an idea what's going to be coming to life right here. So let's get this started. So right here we have a 40 by 60 long metal building. We're going to be having 3 roll-up doors. These are 12 by 12 roll-up doors. Our customer is going to be using this building to work on his vehicles. He's going to be building an office here. He's also wanting to wash his vehicles, so that's why you're going to be seeing a drain that's going to be installed inside this concrete. And right now he does have 2 windows over here to get more direct sunlight inside his metal building. So this is coming out soon. Stay tuned for the action of the metal building, but right now let's take a look at the foundation. So right here it's going to be 60 long. His driveway from his home is coming out from over there, so obviously he wants to access his building through these 3 12 by 12 roll-up doors. It's going to be a pretty big shop. Now right there we have a footing of a 24 inch by 24 inch. The bigger your building, the bigger the footing. And so right now that's what we're building. It's a 24 by 24 footing. We will be doing 12 inch by 24 footings internally. That's to support the concrete. Okay, that's just to support the concrete slab. The slab is only going to be 4 inch. That's really all he needs. Right now we've already set up a lot of the dirt work, and they're still working on it on that side. Now we do see here is a drain. So this is where the customer, our client, is going to be washing his vehicle, and all the water is going to be draining inside this drain, and you can see it's already has its rebar, so it's already set. We're going to be draining all the water that way. So after this, the next thing is the vapor barrier and then the rebar setup for, we're going to try to pour in the next 2 to 3 days. So that's a little bit more of what's going on with the foundation. Our client reached out about 3 weeks ago, actually placed his order 3 weeks ago, and I think after we pour, we're gonna give it about 14 days to cure, okay? Why? Because we're gonna be running a lift to raise all the trusses, so we wanna give it about 14 days. Typically, you can start within 7 days or after 7 days of cure time, but we're gonna give it 14 days. And that's just so we can make sure that nothing happens to the slab. Man, it's already hot, so it's a little, when it's hot outside, it's a little hard for me to speak. But if you guys have any other questions, leave them in the comments, and stay tuned for the build, because we're gonna have content of this tubular metal building that's gonna be built on this slab. So stay tuned. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you guys next time.